This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first heirloom in Apex Legends. Heirlooms are highly sought-after cosmetic items, and obtaining them requires heirloom shards. These shards are a special currency found within Apex packs. While rare, every player is guaranteed to receive heirloom shards after opening 500 Apex packs. Alternatively, you can acquire new heirlooms during special collection events. Let's dive into how Apex packs work. While the chance of getting heirloom shards from any single pack is very low, at 0.045%, the game includes a pity timer. This means that if you haven't received shards in 499 packs, your 500th pack will definitely contain 150 heirloom shards. You can earn packs by playing the game or purchase them to speed up the process. Collection events offer a unique path to acquiring heirlooms. During these limited-time events, a brand new heirloom is introduced. To unlock it, you must collect all 24 unique event items. These items can be purchased with Apex coins or crafted using crafting metals. Once the event concludes, that specific heirloom will then be added to the general pool, becoming available for purchase with 150 heirloom shards. To boost your chances of getting an heirloom, play Apex Legends consistently to earn free Apex packs and Battle Pass rewards. If a collection event features an heirloom you really want, consider saving your crafting metals to acquire event items. Remember, the 500-pack guarantee ensures you will eventually get heirloom shards. It's a journey, so enjoy the game and your heirloom will come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.